Hey guys, so in this video, we are going to go over how to fix your low back pain while deadlifting and some mobility to focus on before and after doing your deadlift. My name is Dawn. I work at Performance Place Sports Care. I am just one part of the locally world famous chiropractors in Orange County, California. And this video is a one-part video to a whole series of videos that we're going over for low back pain. So if you guys are interested in learning more about how to mitigate your low back pain, somewhere around this video here, you can click on a little dot that takes you to our channel. You can like and subscribe, and in there you can search in our search box low back pain, and it will go over tons of different exercises you can try, tons of different educational videos of what might be causing your low back pain, different cues for the deadlift specifically, when to introduce deadlifting back into your treatment approach if you take it away for a little while. Tons of things, you guys. So just take advantage of clicking on our channel and going through and learning a little bit more about your low back pain. So let's get into it a little bit. I wanted to go over first the importance of certain areas of the body while you're doing the deadlift. So you guys can look this up on Google, but there's things that we focus on throughout the spine that some areas should be stable, so less movement in those areas, and other areas should be more mobile. So if we go down the spine, starting from top to bottom, your neck should be stable. Your mid-back should be mobile. Your low back should be stable. Your hips should be mobile. And we can go all the way into the extremities with that as well, but we're gonna focus on the spine today and the low back. So when we're thinking about low back and the deadlift, if we're trying to find too much movement from the low back while doing your deadlift, that might be causing some of the pain that you're having. So instead, let's focus on keeping here in your low back stable and finding some more mobility through your hips. Some of you may be told, I have really tight hips and that's what's causing my low back pain. Then this exercise that we're gonna go over right now is gonna be the one for you, okay? So I'm sure most of you who are deadlifting know that your core should be nice and firm and tight throughout the deadlift, so I'm not going to beat a dead horse on that one. I'm just gonna show you something really cool that you can do for your hips right before trying to hop into your deadlift. So at home, I want you to grab a band. I like to use this really thick one here. It causes you to fatigue out a lot quicker, gets the job done more efficiently, but you can use really anything. You can take some of those thinner ones. It just might take you a little bit longer to reach the point that we want you to. So first part, I'm putting it around my knees, okay? You guys might be familiar with this one, but I'm gonna show you why it's a little bit different than most. I'm just gonna lay on my back here, okay? And I'm going to think about breaking this band apart, okay? I always tell my patients who come in, if you could break this band in half, I'll give you 50 bucks. So from here, I'm hip width apart. I'm gonna break the band in half like this, okay? That's turning on my glutes and already finding a little bit more mobility in those hips. From here, I'm going to glute bridge up. Don't lose this as you go up, okay? Keep it wide, challenge yourself, and shoot for 50 of these. Okay, I give you a number to shoot for just for the heck of it, but if you fatigue out before 50, that's fine. Just try to challenge yourself. Once you reach that fatigue point and make sure you're only feeling it in your glutes. If you're feeling it in your hamstrings, play with your foot position, maybe closer to the butt or a little further away. And you should not be feeling it in your low back. If you're feeling it in your low back, try to break the band apart a little bit more, create more tension outward, okay? Once I've reached the fatigue point of the glute bridges, I'm going to bring my feet together. I'm gonna break the band apart again, and I'm gonna do little flutters in and out, in and out, in and out, and really challenging the hips in this position, okay? I already feel my glutes turning on and they're firing, but I'm gonna go till I can't do this anymore. And if you look here, I'm not going in and out, in and out. I want you to stay wide, 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 wide. Small little flutters like this. Challenge yourself, and then pause. Get to that fatigue point, repeat one more time. So break the band, glute bridges to fatigue, bring the feet together, out wide, little flutters in and out, okay? 2 rounds of that to the point where, oh my gosh, I almost feel like I have a crazy pump in my butt cheeks. What do I mean by pump? Those of you who go to the gym, you lift weights, you do a bunch of bicep curls, you do it to the point where you just feel like you're super swollen in your biceps. I want you to feel that in your booty as a warm-up before you deadlift, okay? So now we've found how to turn on the glutes, how to find a little bit more mobility through the hips. When that happens, a lot of times we try to find less mobility into our low back we get into our deadlift and it feels a whole lot better. So I want you guys to try that at home. Please, please, please challenge yourself. Don't just do it to a little bit of a warm-up point. Go till you can't anymore, okay? If that works for you guys, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear if it works for you. If you want to know more, again, go to our channel, type in low back pain, type in deadlifting. We have tons of videos for you. A lot of times people ask, okay, well that worked for me. Where do I go from here? Do I have to do that all the time? Well, we have something for you. It is a free gift. It might pop up on the video somewhere. You can click on it. It might be a link in the comments below, in the description below, but it says free gift. Take advantage of it. It is the next step for you. Where do you go from here so you don't have to worry about your low back pain anymore, okay? So if you guys need some help, need some guidance, reach out to us. We're in Orange County. You can email us, give us a call. We would love to chat with you, help you figure this out, and help to figure out how to find a journey into healing going forward. Talk to you guys soon.